Hey, this is a modular socket. The good thing about this is that you can change them over time as your needs change. So we have a switch for a light, and then this switch controls, I think, this socket. But now we want to replace this switch with a socket. This is a European modular socket and switch set. So first you want to remove the cover. Then I'm gonna mark where this base plate is, so I will put it back the way it was. I'll just use a pencil. Get a screwdriver. Now just remove the base plate with the sockets. I've already checked in the beginning to see if there's no electricity, and now I'm just double checking. So this is fine. This is the good thing about this type of socket, this system, this modular system, that you can change it whenever you want. You can add or remove stuff, which is really handy and nice. Okay, so this is the switch we want to remove. It's very easy. You remove the wires, then there's these little clips here that you just unhook and press the whole unit out. Well, this module out, actually. Now we're just going to replace it with a normal socket. But we also need to wire it. we're gonna have to modify this whole wiring system because we don't have that switch anymore. It's no problem. Put in the new switch. Okay, now let's see what we have here. After you made sure all your connections are good, all you want to do is put it back together, install it back into the wall. And install the cover. Okay, that's it. Bye.